Yo. Today's the day I get to pick up my S15, so pretty excited.
Nice enough that you can drive it too.
Yeah, it's not too bad outside. It's
7 degrees.
Contrast to the camera changes here. I'll give you guys more details once we get there. It's on the dyno right now, I believe, so maybe we'll get a clip. I'm excited to see how it sounds. Precision turbo, custom manifold, straight pipe 3-inch. And yeah, Jay's over here.
Yeah, we met the bubblegum man today.
Yeah, we met.
Everybody
Met up.
how much gum you have.
Yeah, I already ate like 3, but yeah, I have a bad habit of eating a shitload of
This
gum.
guy just gave us
I haven't had any yet.
bubblegums. Oh.
Yeah,
Let me have one more.
Ray's buddy just has pockets and pockets of bubble gum.
See when we say we get stuff from Ray that we would never get on our own?
Yeah,
Look at all this gum.
yeah, seriously.
Dude, this gum is good for about 30 seconds,
Yeah.
and then you have to pop it
Yeah.
up. So. It's like the captcha's like quick learner.
Yo, we got it running. We're
A gauge killer?
What?
You know, pillar pod?
No, I don't like those. Why do you have one?
What's in this room? What's up, by the way, Zishan? Did you say hey? Hey.
You meet our buddy Jay?
Oh yeah, it's our buddy Jay from Australia.
How you doing, man? Nice to meet you.
Moved
nice to meet you
here.
too. Oh, nice. She must be the GDR.
GDR.
GDR. The dotted orange line? I have to zoom it out.
And this is knock. Yo, look, it's like perfectly.
Yeah, it's good.
If you're importing, you would need a
Look at that.
Yeah, lots of space
267.
under your power curve.
Yeah,
It's good.
yeah.
No, I have my old 240 before my S14.
Yeah.
And it made like 310.
Yeah.
And that felt really fast
Yeah.
on an SR.
Oh yeah.
It was so light.
Yeah, this will be fun. Last car that's getting tuned on this dyno. Pretty lucky.
What do you think of those performance world turbos from LOWCALS?
Very sad. I fully messed everything up.
Good to know.
Cute numbers, but it'll beat the Supra again. Right, Win? Is this thing gonna beat the Supra?
I think so.
Yeah.
Win.
Depends on the driver.
Yeah, driver.
Depends on who drives it. Who are we talking about?
Me versus Jesse.
Charles.
You want me to drive the Supra?
What?
You know, this,
Oh, Sandy's car will feel fast.
It will feel fast.
it'll be fast.
Keyword, feel fast.
That's what I want to feel.
300 horsepower
315 to the crank.
40s were like ripping on my 430s.
Right, Win?
Yeah, like they were like...
This is over 3 at the crank.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's not the wheels.
Yep. I did the
Well, the
goal.
turbo model of this is only rated at 246 at the crank. So on the dyno, it barely break 200.
Yeah.
Like a stock R32 GTR really only make about 270. No, a 250.
Yeah, around
On
there.
here on the wheels.
strapping the stuff on my chest, bro.
Jesus.
This exhaust sounds so good.
First drive things.
You want to do it?
Yeah, sure. Let me drive. What?
I think I'll make it to the shop. All those lights, goddamn.
Maybe not. First car you've like driven of your own that's not the Slammer?
Seriously, it's been a while, man.
Yeah.
They still don't work.
Oh, still nothing works. Oh, and you have no plate.
And no bumper. We're pretty sketchy right now.
Dude, I'm so jealous right now.
This is like around the time I picked up my car last
Yeah, dude, and then that was a little bit after that. Oh, you gotta do a pull and get past this bus.
I definitely noticed the gearing like right away in that LSD.
Oh my god, oh, we're hydroplaning so bad. Oh. Can't see.
Can I risk the wipers or is it gonna
No, you're gonna fuck it up if you use the wipers, man. Yeah, look, I can kind of see better through the camera than we can see.
I mean, look, I'm just kidding.
You're scared to put your foot down.
Yeah.
God damn, dude.
There's too much shit in the trunk.
Trunk full of stuff. Damn, dude, it's quick.
Sounds good and it's quick.
Almost no lag, though.
Yeah, that's nice.
It's good. You were worried about the turbo being too big.
Yeah, no, it's perfect.
Don't be a doubting David.
I'm eating.
It's fine. Check out Jesse eating this.
Didn't we just do this? I swear we just filmed me eating it.
Zoom in.
Alright, we haven't really talked too much about it, but this is our mate Jay. He just moved here from Australia last week. He used to have a Supra, and then he used to have another Supra in Australia, but then he sold them and moved to Canada, and he's looking at importing.
Dreams, man.
Yeah. What are you looking at importing?
Either a JZX100, either in a Mark II or a Chaser, whichever one's available. So we're bidding on one soon, so hopefully we get that one.
Sweet. So yeah, there should be another rear-wheel drive something on the channel soon.
Check out his Supra that he had too on his Instagram.
Yeah. So check out. Well, I'll put his Instagram right here, and then I'll also put his brand Instagram right here as well.
Yeah, and by the way, Jay's been like a long-time supporter.
Yeah, dude. This guy is an OG supporter. He bought this the first time we ever made these, which was like 2 years ago.
2 years ago, yeah. So, good buddy.
Pretty
from,
cool, man.
Across the. Should these come back?
Yeah, definitely. We'll bring those back.
Bigs.
But yeah, pretty cool. Jay's been a long-time supporter, and now he's a homie. So it's cool. It's cool to meet you in person.
All the videos now.
Yeah.
So I filmed kind of an overview talking about the car and stuff, but the video got deleted, so I'm gonna just redo it. I'll step out to the car and do a little walk around, talking type style ordeal.
I hate when you do this.
Look at that front camber. Wheels are ugly, but once I get wheels that actually fit, should look nice. Basically, as you guys saw on the dyno sheet earlier, depending what the boost is set at, it makes either like 270, 280, 290. I don't want to push too much out of this engine. I want to be reasonable with the power that I'm making and expecting and pushing this engine. For those of you that don't remember, this is an NA engine that is boosted. So yeah, I don't want to push it to its limit. As many of you guys know, we are traveling all across Canada and we're driving these things for like very long distances, just hours and hours of driving. Safe, kind of reliable tune. I'm not so concerned about the numbers at this point because, like I said, all the traveling and everything, I kind of want the reliability factor of it. Right now, the way it sits, 270 at the wheels and around 315 at the crank, but just turn the boost up, I'll make 280, 290 at the wheels. I'll push it closer to those numbers at the end of the season after we're done all the driving, all the road trips and everything. When we're back in Calgary and I can have fun with the car and just push it a little bit. That's exactly what I did last year. There is a couple things that I still need to do to the car. I need to wrap the downpipe. For example, I need to build a bracket here for my ABS and a kind of a heat shield plate right here. I might just delete ABS, to be honest. I'll do the heat shield and see how that works. Electronic boost controller. I need to still hook up my catch can because it's kind of just venting right now. I'm gonna redo all my fluids like brake and clutch. It already has new driveline and engine oil. I'm happy with it. It's a light chassis. I have the LSD now.
Just over on the other side of the fence.
Yo, take Ray for a ride.
But it's... When's the turd going? That wasn't your car, man. Perfect.
Nice.
My thought on the 240 is that we're gonna get it done.
Eye contact with the cameraman.
Eye contact. Everything's going good so far. These guys work non-stop trying to get these things done. Like, just gonna be getting everything ready for driven and just the summer in general. So yeah. Adios.